Hello, good morning. Today we present the CH sound. To be able to reproduce the sound, the tip of the tongue should touch just behind the upper teeth at the front of the palate. Then put your lips and tongue together as if you were going to say T. While rubbing, it's like combining a T and sh. Below is a small demonstration. Some words with this sound are chair. Repeat, chair. Chocolate, chocolate. Chicken. Repeat, chicken. China, China. Chip, chip. Kitchen, kitchen. Cherry, cherry. Child, child.
Some examples of sentences that present the sound are: the child is sitting on a big chair. My mom is cooking chicken in the kitchen. The chair is next to the kitchen. The child is eating chocolate in the kitchen. The chair is made in China. The girl is eating chicken and chips.